Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I even found out something tonight I didn't really know you could do inside of Corel, so I thought I'd pass it along. This emblem that you shouldn't really be using, but I'm making it for a Navy man that died, making a cross, and you can see the white is CMYK, some of it, and you can't really, you could delete it, but it would take you forever, and then you're going to delete the black, and I never really knew you could do this, so let's double check this. We've got CMYK white, which will engrave, and actually this whole thing was CMYK, but I've already changed it, but I must have missed this. So go to view, no, go to edit, find and replace object, replace color, find CMYK white, replace it with RGB white. So to get that white, just take your eyedropper tool and take it over your color palette and then X that out. And so you're finding CMYK and replacing it with RGB, and go finish, replace all, watch it go around there. All the little facets of CMYK white are now gone. So let's take our eyedropper tool, bring it over here. Now we've got RGB white everywhere. That's pretty slick. And I'll just show you what I'm going to do with this. Control G and group it together, and then nudge it back over to my cross, and this is what I'm making. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.